Just installed this shower head, dual shower head combo. I got this because we have dogs, and it has this really cool feature. It's a detachable part of the shower head. You can click it on or off. And this part is magnetic, so it's super slick. It slits up there, goes into the hose right here that hangs down. You can see all the different adjustments it has right there. All these different adjustments. You can make it go to the sprayer. It's ready to go. Here's a couple of the different adjustments right here. I'm going to turn this on. You can see this is going to be the spray adjustment. Oh, it's like a weird mist. There you go. That's pretty strong right there. That's incredibly strong. I just got super wet. Hope this is the normal one right there. Hope this video helps you with your buying decision.